You're normally seeing us outside. We're doing video, we're doing comparisons, we're looking outside because we're looking at big general areas. Today, believe it or not, we're inside. We're at a shooting range today, and I know a lot of people go, well, what are you doing at a shooting range? Well, what we're looking at today is we're looking at the analytics in a camera, but we're not looking at the video analytics as much. We're looking at the audio, the gunshot, the scream, the loud noise. And the reason behind that is so many facilities today want to know more about what's happening at their facilities. If somebody's screaming, if they're in trouble, but now it's going to trigger the inboard analytics, the stuff that's in the camera. The camera's now getting more smarter, just not doing analytics, not just doing video, but it's actually able to detect noises at certain thresholds. And that's why we're here at the gun range today, because we did some testing today that is unbelievable. We did from 9mm to 308s to shotguns and all points in between. Tell us a little bit what you were doing today with the testing.
Absolutely. So today's goal was to get some equipment out on the table and utilize the functions of the camera, whether it be an internal microphone or an external microphone, to capture loud anomalies. And those loud anomalies can vary based on the levels that they come in at. And we wanted to see generally where those would land so we can set thresholds and generate alarms.
Gotcha.
What you can do then at that point is we can leverage that into the BVMS system and do call-ups or generate some kind of alarms, getting the attention of the user.
So if you do get a loud noise, and again, we say gunshot, we say a scream, we say it could be a book dropping or whatever, what is that camera, either with built-in microphone with analytics or external microphone with analytics, what can it do?
The key is to do those tests up front to kind of understand where your threshold needs to be, because those are all going to generate different sound waves.
Gotcha.
And from what we saw today, everything's on a different frequency. Some's low end, some's high end, and it's finding that right balance to make sure you get reliable alarms.
Gotcha, gotcha. Is this technology available today?
Absolutely. Everything we did today was built in right under the cameras,
Okay.
Other than an external microphone. And from what we saw today, we're able to adjust that regardless of the microphone that you're using to fine-tune that to best suit your application.
Call us. Get us involved. Let's do some testing. Let's make sure it's right for the proper equipment for your application, because there's 122 different cameras with different technologies. Get us involved. Let us help you. And at the end of the day, let's get a solution that's going to work for everybody. www.midchest.com, support at midchest.com, or give us a call. Thank you.